we are going to see about the program to calculate, that is the seventh program to calculate the distance traveled by providing speed and time taken as an input. So in this program, we are going to read two inputs, that is speed and time, and we are going to calculate the distance, and that is going to be displayed on the screen. So regarding this, I'm creating a file that is distance.c, and the first part of the program is documentation. So here we are going to include the statement of documentation as distance calculation. So the next part is you have to include the header file that are required for this program. So here we need only stdio.h for performing the standard input output operations. So the next part is you have to include the main function using int main of. Then you have to declare which are the variables that are required for this program. In this program, we are going to read speed and time from the user, and the final result, that is distance, is going to be calculated. So declare three values which are of type integer. Then prompt the user using printf statement to enter two values, that is enter speed and time. So this is going to be prompt to the user. Now the scanf statement read the inputs and store it in variable. So it is of integer. So first part is you have to mention the specifier. So there are two variables in one single press as scanf statement itself we are going to read. So you have to use 2 times %d and then comma. The second part is you have to mention the address of the variable, that is, yeah, s and t are the two variables. So ampersand s and ampersand t you have to give. And after this, you're going to calculate the distance. The formula for calculating the distance is equal to distance equal to speed into time. So that is the multiplication operator you have to use. Now the calculation is over. You are going to display the result using the printf statement. So distances. So here comes what is the distance value, that is what is it resultant variables type. It is also integer. So %d comma the value is stored in which variable that you have to give, that is d. So close the main function, save the program using wq exclamatory symbol, then compile the program using cc distance.c, and if there is no error you can go for executing the output using ./a.out. So it is asking for enter the speed and time. So I'm going to say speed is 50 and 50 kilometer per hour, and the time is time taken for travel is 4 hours. So how much distance is covered? That is 200. So this is the way you can calculate the speed and calculate the distance by considering the two parameters, that is speed and time.